Step number 6, weathering erosion, we were discussing, right? We have discussed weathering and rates of weathering. So can anybody just give me the review of this page about the weathering and rates of weathering and natural agents? We have discussed before that twice. Anybody? I just want a quick review. Zainab, are you there? Zainab Sarfaraz. Zainab, are you there? I can't hear you, Zainab. Speak loudly. Your mic is not working. Lisa, I want you people to speak. Okay?
Discussed about weatherings and how weathering occur, and about the rocks.
Okay, okay. And what are the agents we have discussed, Arshia?
Miss temperature, rainfall, and plant and animal.
Okay. So how can we assume that the temperature that normally rocks experience that affect such as weathering?
Miss
कैसे
if
temperature affect करता है rocks को?
miss if the weather level is too high and it's a sunny day, so
Temperature is high. ठीक है?
if the temperature is high, so rocks
So which
can
type of,
change
when the temperatures you can say affecting on rocks in the form of weathering, so what we call
physical
that?
alternated expansion and contraction of rock.
Exactly, alternate expansion and contraction, that is a type of physical weathering. That means there kind of changes, there some changes occur in the physical appearance of rocks, right? Okay, Ji. After that, we have discussed about the freeze the action of ice or frost shattering. So can anybody except Ashia can speak about what is the meaning of freeze the action and what we have discussed, Mahiba?
And the forces the cracks or joints in the rocks to become larger.
ठीक है.
The ice in the cracks melts and the stress is released.
ठीक है, it's fine, it's fine. Come on to the next point. If we talk about chemical weathering, that is very easy. So what is the chemical weathering and how these types basically occurred because of chemical weathering? Oxidation. Can anybody explain oxidation? Hanji. Mariam Abdul Qadir. Mariam, are you there in the class? Mariam, can you elaborate chemical weathering and its types?
Chemical weathering refers to the process in which rocks are broken down through
Just explain in your own words, okay?
Basically, chemical process in which rocks are broken down through the decomposition and chemicals from the new materials and changes the
What is
chemical changes.
carbonation?
Carbonation is the most dominated in limestone areas, in which when calcium carbonate into limestone and to contract with a weak carbonic.
Acha ji, wait for a while. Mariam, wait. Rainwater mixes with carbon dioxide in the air to form carbonic acid. What is another name of carbonic acid? We have discussed, and we have studied in grade 7 as well, if you remember. When simple rainwater and the rainfall, when mixes with the carbon dioxide, which is already exists in the atmosphere, the other different gases. So what we call that when it mixes with the rainwater? Carbonic acid को हम क्या बोलते हैं next? G, can anybody tell me? Acidic rain. ठीक है? Yes, Mariam, continue with the same heading.
And also carbonation is is soluble and easily removed.
Yes, speak up. क्या हो गया? We have discussed about the biological weathering, that it's normally occurs with the plants and animals. How these plants, you can say, become a cause of weathering. Definitely these roots are very strong enough to break the rocks, inside the rocks, right? And animals, what do they do basically? Definitely they make a tunnels deep inside the ground. So definitely when the rainfall starts or the precipitation starts, so the whole rainwater enters into the tunnel and reacts with the minerals in the rock. So that become the cause of weathering, and that becomes hollow the rock basically. The rocks we can slowly definitely decomposes or disintegrate. We have discussed about the erosion, that is the way you can say that is the process to remove the weathered materials from one place to another. And we have discussed about the agents of erosion, flowing water, winds and sea waves. ये हम discuss कर चुके हैं, right? What are the impacts of weathering and erosion on human activities? You need to read it by yourself first. Positive and the negative impact all, and they all are very important. This is the class task of workbook is given to you people. What you will need to do the given workbook page number 32 to 34 in workbook of chapter number 6. You need to take the picture of work and upload on LMS. ठीक है?
इस LMS से सबमिट भी कराना है?
जी बेटा. Now people can see these are the MCQs given on page number 32 of chapter number 6. You need to solve it right now. Take the picture and upload on the LMS. It's very easy, right? Those who just joined right now, you can see the class task has been given to you on LMS. Do these pages in your workbook right now. Box your answers. Exercise number 1. For each question, there are 4 possible answers. The number 1 is which one of the following rock A, B, C, and D is likely to break down most likely. Okay, which rock can be easily broken down quickly? So please write the answer in the chat box. Hajra, I got your answer. Zainab, I got your answer. Yes, the correct answer is C, because they have a fine grain particles. Okay, small and the fine grain particles then can be easily broken. No, Omar Taslim, the correct answer is C. If you talk about the next one, what is the rock of your choice likely to be break down most quickly? Can anybody speak on mic for 2, MCQ 2? Yes.
A.
Who said A?
Is D.
No. It's a B. Minerals with small grain have a greater combined surface area exposed to weathering, right? G, they are talking about figure 2. Figure 2 नहीं दी हुई है. It means that is a figure 3 की बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Shows the average monthly temperature and rainfall of a place. What type of weathering is most likely to be predominant in this place? So what would be the correct answer? Physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering action of animals, biological weathering actions of plants. Yes, so what would be the correct answer? Speak on mic. Zainab, mic पे बोल सकते हो.
B.
अच्छा, Ayan Asif, what is the correct answer? हमजा, क्या आंसर है इसका? हमजा सिद्दीकी. Speak on mic. अच्छा, nobody will speak up. ठीक है, जिनसे मैं पूछूं सिर्फ वही बताएंगे. Ayan Asif and Hamza Siddiqui, what would be the answer for MCQ 3? G. Ayan Asif, are you there or not? क्या आंसर होगा 3 का? जल्दी से बता दीजिए. Yes.
Miss
C, Miss B.
B आंसर है. अच्छा, Hamza, what would be the answer? हमजा सिद्दीक,
मिस आपने मेरी अटेंडेंस मार्क करी?
जी मैंने कर दिया आपकी अटेंडेंस मार्क।
मैं फुजैल।
जी, I have marked your attendance. Yes, Aiman, what would be the answer for 3? चलें, ठीक है। Study figure 3 which shows some weathered rock. What process of weathering have these rocks undergone? क्या process में show कर रहे हैं? Oxidation, expansion of contraction, carbonation, biological action. जी, write the answer in the chat box. Hurry up. Yes, Zainab, it's correct. I have 13 students in the class and only one student is giving me the answer in the chat box.